Hey, this is Mark, and today I've got a simple, quick, easy job. We have a ZTE Z-Max Pro that a local shop called up to see if I could change the charge port. Once I got it open, I realized that the charge port's on its own little thing here. So this probably wouldn't really cost much to replace, but he had the port already, so might as well just change the port on here. Now we can see there's definitely a bunch of cracked joints, and if otherwise this port was just fine, then I would just resolder these joints. But there's definitely a lot of slop in the port with the charger plugged in, so we'll just change it out for a new one and get everything nice and tight like we like it. So I'm going to start with putting some leaded solder on these joints. I know from experience from back in the day of doing Samsung charge ports that would be on these flexes that they tend to, the flex that this is on will bubble and delaminate pretty easily if I put too much heat on it. So I'm going to try and use as little heat as possible to do this job. I'm going to try and do it without hot air, ideally. So I'll just lift on the port while I kind of put some pressure on the flex. See if I can get both of these joints melted at once. There we go. Same thing with this side. Yeah, almost got her loose. And it looks like all the joints along the back of it have broken, so it's not being held on at all back there. This thing is a little awkward to mess with. All right, there we go. Got her off. Now we'll get some more flux and some wick. We'll clean stuff up. There we go. Now the new port on. Little fresh flux. With those two anchors, now these two. A little more solder. All right, now we'll just do up these pins, and it'll be good as new. And oh no, I've got some bridging. Whatever will I do? Well, what I'll do is just take my hot tweezers in here Melt that bridge, drag it back, and it's gone. Clean them off, do the next one. There we go. Clean them off. Now this last one, I can clearly see that those are both on ground. So that one, there's no reason to clear it, but I'm going to do it anyways. There we go. So all those joints are good, and now I just have these last two little joints that I couldn't get to from the top. And I'll touch up these ones too. All right, that's all there is to it. Easy as that. You're just going to have to trust me that this thing is going to charge again, because as always, I'm not set up to show my USB amp meter. But again, as always, if I have any issues with it, then I will start recording again and we will pick up where we left off. But this should be good to go. I'm 100% confident that, you know, it's just solder joints. If they're connected, then it's good. All right. So that's it for this one. Thank you for watching.